Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, stop whatever you're doing right now because I just found the blueprint for our future dream house. This kitchen? This is insane. It's that perfect blend of classic modern Tudor structure, you know, those gorgeous black grid windows, mixed with that super chill, warm, organic modern vibe. It's light, it's wood, it's everything. Wow. The first thing you notice is the light. I mean, look at this wall of windows. It's giving major ultra chic greenhouse vibes. And the ceilings, they soar. I'm talking easily 11 feet 6 inches high. It makes the entire space feel like an art gallery, honestly. Now, let's talk function. The island, it's massive. We could host the entire block on this thing. I'd guess it's a solid 4 feet by 8 feet of working marble surface, perfect for prepping or just hanging out. They kept the perimeter cabinets super crisp white shaker, but then they used this light, gorgeous oak for the island and those floating shelves. It keeps it feeling grounded, you know, not sterile. So many kitchens feel cramped or cluttered, but this design, it's minimalist perfection. The brushed brass hardware is just the final chef's kiss. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.